Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through exactly how to allow videos to autoplay on X, the platform we all used to know as Twitter, right from your computer. This is based on the new update, so if things look a little different for you, don't worry, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight in. First, open the X app on your PC. Once it loads, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen where the main menu sits. From there, click on the option that says More. It's the one with the 3 dots, you can't miss it. A new panel will appear. Now, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where all your account preferences live. Inside this menu, look for Accessibility, Display, and Languages. This section controls how things look, feel, and behave on your feed, and it's exactly where we'll find the autoplay settings. Next, click on Data Usage. Here's where X lets you manage how much data the app consumes when loading media like photos and videos. Find the option labeled Autoplay. Once you click that, you'll see a few choices: off, Wi-Fi only, and on cellular or Wi-Fi. To make sure your videos play automatically, select on cellular or Wi-Fi. This ensures that videos begin playing as you scroll, no extra clicks needed, whether you're on a strong Wi-Fi connection or using mobile data through your computer. That's it. You've successfully turned on video autoplay on X. From now on, your videos will start playing smoothly as you browse your timeline, keeping things effortless and engaging while you scroll through your favorite posts. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with a friend who's trying to figure out the same thing. Thanks for watching.